Hello, yo man! We are back with some math review. My accent isn't quite that great, but I'm trying to help you out. Here is the deal. I'm going to kind of turn our screen this way a little bit so you can see a little better. Today is strictly decimal review, okay? So, for some reason, that light bulb is kind of getting in the way. This is things that we have learned, so a lot of it will be familiar. It's just review. Your assignment today, after we go through all of this online, is going to be about 5, 6 problems on Seesaw. So when you get done watching my video, you can go there and kind of fill that in. And then when you're done with that, go get your green light, man. All right, let's get ready to rumble. All right, let's look at the top of Mrs. Carbonell's board. Okay, it says 306 thousandths. Now, boys and girls, if you remember that THS, that's what makes the difference. That's how we know it's behind a decimal. Because if it said 306,000, that would be completely different. But when we see that THS, it means something different. So we can write the word 306 thousandths, right? We can write the word 306. And then we know thousandths, it goes, we put our decimal, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, okay? So that would be 306 thousandths. Now, do we remember the value of digits? I bet you do. I bet you do. I bet you do. Remember, it goes ones, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Say it with me. And, because that's our decimal, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Let's say it again. And tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So what spot is this one, boys and girls? Let's do it. Ones, because that's our one spot, and tenths, hundredths. This one is in the hundredth spot. Let's go to the next one. I wonder, if you were there, I would say, who could read this to me? But since you're not, I'm going to read it to you, ya man. And 382 thousandths. All right, I'm looking at that 3 right there. Here's the 1 spot, and then my and, which is my decimal, and then that's my 10th spot. The 10th spot. All right, let's look a little further down. 0 and 641 thousandths, okay? So what spot is that 1 in? Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. All right. Writing them in expanded form. It might seem like a while since we have done this one, but I think it'll come back quickly. If you were here, I would make you read it, but you're not. So it goes 3 and 931 thousandths. Because remember, it's tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So if I was to write that in expanded form, it's just like we're adding it all up, if you remember back. So it's 3 plus, what number is that? We always say it's tenths. It's 9 tenths. What do you think this one is? Tenths, hundredths. This is 3 hundredths. Ooh, what about that last one? Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. That would be 1 out of 1,000. It's getting smaller. All right, let's keep going. We're getting close. 2 and 503 thousandths. All right, so it's 2 plus, that's 5 tenths, plus, a hundredths column. We don't need to put anything. There's nothing there. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Oh, but we have 3 out of 1,003 1,000ths. Simple. Word form is just write it in words, okay? So up here is and 306 thousandths, and right above it is word form. Boys and girls, you have this. Please go on Seesaw and do those few problems, and then go grab your green light. See you tomorrow. Yeah, man.